Hi, this is Vicki Romaine with Cheerful Greetings, and today we're going to work on antiquing without going through the process of dyeing. I have one piece of cardstock here that I want to work with, and I don't want to take out time to do a lot of dyeing of cardstock before I create my element for my journal. So I'm going to show you how I have done it with using some distress inks. My cardstock is 11 by 4 1/4. And the inks I'm using are distress inks, and they are scattered straw, vintage photo, and walnut stain. I'm starting with scattered straw for the center area of the cardstock. Now, if you want to use something that's not quite so yellow, that might have a will blend in just as well, is linen. I'm going to let the video jump from stage to stage so you don't have to watch me do the same action continuously. Now I will take my vintage photo and walnut stain and go around this yellow section on my cardstock. In other words, I'll make a layer of the vintage photo and then come along and make the walnut stain. When you're finished, flip the cardstock over and then take a ruler and make your measurements. Now fold the bottom up approximately 3.5 inches, and this will be the bottom of your folder. The top has been folded down approximately 3.25 inches. I'm just distressing my edges a little more. To make your top of your little pocket or folder, turn it down approximately 3.25 inches. Now to make it a pocket, you need to take your glue and glue the outside edges of the bottom part of your little folder. and then fold it up, and that will make your pocket. Do not glue the end because you want that to stay open. Now I'm looking through my clusters to see what I might have that's already made that I can put on the outside. And I think this little cluster of papers and buttons will work fine. I think this little cluster will do the trick. I'm going to leave my corners of my flap square this time instead of rounding the corners to give a little variety in my journal. Now a piece of Velcro underneath will do the trick of keeping it closed. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please come back and see me, and don't forget to subscribe. And in the meantime, have a great crafting day. Bye.